10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Gains Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Thursday, July 23rd. It is 10:01 p.m. Eastern Time. XRP is coming in at $1.10. Let's dive right into today's video. We got an update to go over today. Looking at the charts, starting off, XRP at $1.10, and looking at the daily, we had a decently sized red day today. As you guys know, over the past few days, we did make it up to $1.16, but here we are right back at $1.10. So we'll have to see what happens here, but altogether, guys, XRP since the beginning of June has been around this range, has just been going sideways for quite some time. I will say what I'm looking at is a potential head and shoulders pattern, an inverse head and shoulders with an upside target right around our resistance levels between $1.30 and $1.35. But that is just a quick glance at what I'm looking at in the charts. And if we actually want to take a measured target and we want to draw a line here, what you guys can actually see is an inverse head and shoulders. So we have the first shoulder here, right back to the neckline. We've got the head, which did go a little bit further back to the neckline. We formed the other shoulder, the right shoulder there, and then we did break out, and now we are coming to retest the neckline. So this potentially could be a textbook pattern, a textbook play of an inverse head and shoulders on the daily and 4-hour time frames. So guys, could we have gotten the retest here that we needed, or are we going to come down a little bit further down to $1.09, $1.08 before bouncing and continuing up to the $1.30 range? So that is what I'm currently looking for in the immediate short term. So far, guys, this pattern is playing out. We do have a confirmed breakout on the daily of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we have come back down to retest the breakout. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let's dive right into it on X. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. Let's get right into it. Jay Claver, is 20,000 XRP enough? Well, it depends on what you need it to pay you. If XRP ever gets to $100, that's $2 million. And a portfolio drawing 5% a year off of $2 million is $100K of income before tax. That's the math worth running on your own number. How much income do you actually need? The right bag can go far with patience. And guys, as you know, I think XRP is going way past $100, but $100 XRP is very conservative. So if you have 20,000 XRP stacked up, that would be $2 million if you can hold it till then. And then all you need to do is earn a measly return on that to generate $100K a year. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. Comment how big your bag is right now. Pass it this week, XRP, we've got just in from Watcher Guru. The U.S. Senate Republicans release a new Crypto Clarity Act draft bill. And I know the Senate Democrats are working hard to get this pushed past the finish line. All at once is becoming a reality. We've got today isn't just another day for crypto. The DTCC has officially moved tokenization into live production. And guys, as you know, the DTCC went live with tokenization in about, I want to say it was a week ago. And as you know, Ondo runs the tokenization game, and they have been roaring and just shooting off. If you've held Ondo right here, right before they went live, Ondo has gone up a whole 30-some%, having a small pullback, but I think Ondo has a lot more to go. So if you are holding a fat bag of Ondo like I am, congratulations. But guys, I will say, of course, XRP is my main bag, consisting of probably 95% of my portfolio. Continue to stack, guys. The $1.10 is a blessing. Continue to always be stacking when you can. It will pay off. patience in this game is how you can make it. I know everyone's waiting. How long is this going to take? You know, when are we going to pump? Do I keep holding? It's been years and years and years. Guys, keep holding. This is Amazon in the early 2000s. Just keep holding. If you wait 10 to 20 years, you're going to be very, very well off. Just wait. And I'm not saying it's going to take that long. I'm just saying have patience with it. Take the long-term view and just accumulate. If you take a short-term view, you're not going to make it big. That's all I got to say. Unless XRP just shoots up to hundreds of dollars in the next 2 or 3 years, then congratulations. But guys, I mean, I would say $100 XRP by 2030 is a pretty good projection, quite conservative in my opinion. And hundreds and hundreds of dollars per XRP in the next 10 years, I would say. So, and even that, 10 years from now is not too far off. Now, if we get to 2030 and we're absolutely nowhere near $100 and we're still ranging below 2 digits, or we're not even barely past $10, well, then at that point, we may need to reconsider some things. But until then, guys, give it patience. We got 3.5 years. I highly, highly believe we're going to be hitting those triple digits in 3 years. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the content, liking the videos. And remember, guys, this is the retest. Get ready for a move up. Till next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just this one.